Good morning, and welcome to Midday at Noon with your hosts, Mindy Pickles and Dick Pickles. Coming to you live on public access. It's Midday at Noon. Today on Midday at Noon with Dick and Mindy.
Gary, said just a tip.
You disgust me.
Whatever. Hey, good morning.
Welcome to Midday at Noon.
After the break, we're going to show you how to protect your family from the encroaching raccoon menace.
But first, we're going to have a little fun.
We sure are.
We have a very special guest back on our program today who's going to show us a little something in the kitchen.
In a segment we like to call
Cooking with Conrad.
Welcome back, Conrad. How have you been?
I understand you've been traveling the world in search of fancy and exotic foods to share with us.
Yes. I just got back from a tour of South America.
Oh, and how was it down under there?
Our plane crashed in the Andes. We were trapped there for weeks. I was the only one who made it out alive.
Well, that sounds terrible. I understand you're going to be making us something today from Chile.
That's correct, Dick. All the ingredients in this dish are 100% Chilean. It will be unlike anything you've ever had before.
Fantastic.
Oh, you know, we have an intern from Chile. Gary, would you get Esteban out here, see if he'll come out and join?
Esteban would love this.
Everyone knows how important a meal breakfast is.
Oh, it certainly is.
I'm going to be making a tasty and nutritious breakfast sandwich that will help jumpstart your day. Now, obviously a breakfast sandwich requires an egg, so I've gone to great lengths to attain this.
Wow.
This is an emperor penguin egg.
Sounds fancy.
Are they rare, Conrad?
Extremely. Emperor penguins march hundreds of miles across the barren, ice-covered plains of Chile's Antarctic territory, while carefully protecting the eggs by balancing them atop their feet, just to achieve the precious miracle of life. I don't know about you, but I love cheese.
Oh, me too. A wonderful aged
This cheese is made from the milk of the humpback whale.
Is it difficult to milk a whale?
Very. Fortunately, during my travels of Chile's coastal waters, I was able to learn the distinct whale song. It sounds better underwater. Now, for the main flavor of the dish.
Gary, have we located Esteban? I'll tell him he's missing out.
This is something I developed a taste for during my stay in the Andes.
Smells spicy. This is Chilean too?
According to its documentation, yes. Free range, too, had to butcher it myself. It did not go down easy. So, with our ingredients assembled, we want to mix them thoroughly. Cook on high heat for just a minute or two, then transfer onto traditional Chilean huleles bread. They should end up looking like this.
Oh.
This and many other recipes can be found on our website. Isn't that right, Conrad?
Yes.
These look delicious.
Can we try one?
By all means, please.
Join us next time on Midday at Noon.